I am S. Pandey, PGT Biology of Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have discussed about the chapter 2nd, biological classification. In the previous lecture, I told you about the kingdom Plantae, in which I discussed about the characters of plants. As I also discussed about the different type of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs on the basis of their height and lifespan, means annual, biennial, perennial. Today I want to discuss about the kingdom Animalia. Here kingdom Animalia, which has different important character which is only found in the kingdom Animalia, and very important character is the organisms are multicellular, as all the animals are multicellular. I mean to say body made by the many cells, tissues, organ system, then individual body made, as according to complexity. And second important character is cell wall absent. Cell wall absent here in the animal cell. As I have discussed already, cell wall present in the plant cell, but in the animal cell wall is absent. Here cell wall absent in the cell. It means as in the plant cell, cell wall make the outer boundary of the cell, but there is no outer boundary like cell wall as non-living material, but outer boundary is living and made by the plasma membrane, which is living, but cell wall is non-living, which makes the outer boundary in the plant cell. Second important character is cell wall absent in the cell, means which type of cell? In the animal cell. In the animal cell, cell wall is absent. Very important point. Here the third point is few lays eggs called oviparous. Oviparous ऐसे एनिमल जो अंडे देते हैं ओविपेरस कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पैरो. स्पैरो से जर्मन में अलग नाम देते हैं, इंग्लिश वर्ड स्पैरो है, और साइंटिफिक नेम पेसर डोमेस्टिकस है. इसी प्रकार से फ्रॉग. फ्रॉग जिसे बुल फ्रॉग कहते हैं, साइंटिफिक नेम राना टिग्रीना. नेक्स्ट फिश. मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ फिशेस आर फाउंड इन द एक्वेटिक हैबिटाट. एक्वेटिक हैबिटाट मीन आइदर फ्रेश वाटर, पॉन्ड, रिवर्स, pools or marine water sources like sea water, salty water. Fish, one good example is rohu fish. Another is katla fish. Sea water fish are generally pomfret and scoliodon, which is called as dog fish. Hen. Hen as common word is fowl. Fowl means cock and hen, but hen lays the eggs, not cock. That is why example has given here hen. So sparrow, frog, fish and hen, all these lay eggs and called as oviparous animal. Oviparous animals lay eggs. Next characteristics is few animals give birth of young one, and if after fertilization zygote formation take place, after embryogenesis develop the embryo of 32 cells blastocyst which attach with the uterus wall called implantation. Attachment of blastocyst with uterus wall called implantation. As after implantation, then embryo development occur, which changes in the fetus, and fetus is deeper than the embryo, because in fetus legs and hands develop. Next character is, as animal give birth of young one called viviparous animal. This type of animal called viviparous animal. Here lower groups animal shows vegetative reproduction also. As good example is in the planaria. All of you study regeneration in planaria in 10th class, in which if planaria body has cut into two places, then total of 3 sections, 3 pieces of planaria made. One piece has head part or anterior part with simple eye. Another piece contain middle part, and third piece is posterior part. But due to the cell division, slowly, head part develop the posterior part by the regeneration process. Likewise, middle piece develop anterior part by the cell division, also develop posterior part, and posterior part piece develop the total of middle and head part. In this way, 3 planaria develop by the regeneration type of vegetative reproduction. This regeneration is, a high power of regeneration is found in the planaria, which is also called as common name flatworm. Planaria common name is flatworm, which belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes. As sexual reproduction by the copulation. Copulation means male and female meet during the sexual reproduction, called copulation or intercourse. After intercourse, male gamete and female gamete are fused. This is called gametic fusion, and gametic fusion result diploid cell zygote produces. Zygote, which is diploid, has 2n number of chromosomes, which develop in the embryo by a phenomena known as embryogenesis. It means development of embryo from the diploid cell zygote called embryogenesis. After embryo development, then fetus develop, which has legs and hands. Complete development of fetus in human female takes 9 months. After 9 months, childbirth takes place. Childbirth means parturition or accouchment. Here, few animals are called as acoelomates. What is means of acoelomate? Suppose this is the one layer, outer layer, and outer layer which is made by the as a ring form structure, and inner layer which is called as the endoderm. Endoderm which present as the innermost layer, but there is between the outer ectoderm and endoderm. Here ectoderm and next one is endoderm. There is no any type of layer present. So this is called as acoelomate, where xylem absent means xylem absent. And this is the good example for acoelomate condition. Acoelomate condition has shown here. This figure shows acoelomate, and it is found in the case of platyhelminthes, which good example is planaria. Sometimes the mesoglia, a third layer develop, which is called mesoglia, between the ectoderm and endoderm. This is called a pseudocoelomate. As pseudocoelomate are S. helminthes, and whose example is Ascaris. Ascaris, which causes Ascariasis disease and found as endoparasite in the human body. If the complete mesoderm develop between ectoderm and endoderm, like here, this is the outer layer. Outer layer is called as ectoderm, and the inner layer, innermost layer is called as endoderm, and this endoderm which cover the xylem. Here, this is the called as lumen, means it is, you can say, in the form of gut, but this is the endoderm. In between the endoderm and ectoderm, if there is presence of a distinct layer which is called as mesoderm. So mesoderm layer present in the case of coelomate. So this is the coelomate is case diagram. And if the ectoderm and endoderm, like this is the ectoderm, outermost layer, and next one is endoderm as innermost layer. There is presence of pouches. These pouches are in the form of mesoglea. So this is the condition found in the Ascaris as pseudocoelomate. Coelomate, good examples are member of Annelida to chordata. And good example of coelomate is earthworm, starfish. Earthworm is called friend of farmer, has segmented body and belong to phylum Annelida. But starfish is belong to the phylum Echinodermata. As frog, I have discussed already here, frog also called coelomate because presence of the as mesoderm surrounded the coelom. So coelom present, that is why called as coelomate. Another good example is whale, which is aquatic animal and human. You know very well. Human, as human scientific name is Homo sapiens. Human scientific name is Homo sapiens. As scientific name of human, I have discussed about scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. Next character is menstruation occur. Menstruation means it occurs mostly in the primates like apes, monkeys and humans. Menstruation means every 28-29 days one ovum released from the ovary. Ovum means secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte comes out from the ovary after 28 days. And this 28 days period in which menses occur first to 5 days, then follicular development takes place, and about 14 days ovulation occur, in which secondary oocyte comes out from the ovary. Then tertiary oocyte develop in the fallopian tube where fertilization occurs. Oyster cycle is different. In oyster cycle, which is found in the non-primates, for example, cow, dog, buffalo, cat and goat. In such cattle, heat period is found. Heat period means female urge for sex to the male. Female moves around the male, near the male for mating. This is called as heat period. In cow, heat period for 3 to 4 days. And during heat period, female cattle generally produces sound, and the sound production is called as heat period, and this is the symptoms. This is the character of oyster cycle. In the mammals, which is the most developed class of the kingdom Animalia, hairs are found on the body, and mammal generally viviparous in nature. Here, viviparous means these viviparous animals are the human and monkeys, because these animals give the birth of young one after embryonic development. Because I told you a term, development of embryo from the zygote, or zygote develop into the embryo. The process called as embryogenesis. In this way, I have explained in brief about the acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and coelomate development or coelomate condition in different animals. These are the important characteristics of the kingdom Animalia. Now, I want to tell you about the topic viruses. Viruses are plural. Viruses are plural, and the singular is virus. Singular is virus, and viruses are plural. Here, the virus, which generally as non-cellular microscopic and obligate parasite. So these are the, as first character is non-cellular. Non-cellular means virus does not contain cell-like structure. There is no cell organelle like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi bodies, ER or nucleus. That is why it is called as non-cellular. And second term is microscopic. Microscopic means virus which is smaller than the bacteria. Virus is smaller than the bacteria, as told by the scientist Ivanovsky in 1892. Ivanovsky, who generally studied in 1892 on the tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus means as abbreviation TMV. virus which generally causes disease as mosaic disease on tobacco leaf. Mosaic disease on tobacco leaf caused by the TMV. TMV means tobacco mosaic virus. Virus another character is obligate parasite. Obligate parasite means virus only causes disease in the particular living host only, like AIDS caused by the HIV virus. Here Ivanovsky in 1892 told for TMV which causes mosaic disease on tobacco leaf. Later on, the Beijerinck, one scientist, Beijerinck, in 1898 called the filtrate of the leaf of tobacco after the crushing by the pestle, then filter by the bacterial filtrate. So bacterial filter used, but such extract filter through the bacterial filter, it means viruses are smaller than the bacterium cell, and Beijerinck told first as the fluid contagium vivum fluidum. Contagium vivum fluidum means poison. Such fluid in the extract form of mosaic disease leaf of tobacco, which extract if sprayed on the healthy tobacco leaf, such plant also suffering from the mosaic disease. It means it shows that obligate parasite nature of virus, because such virus only infect the tobacco plant. Tobacco means Nicotiana tabacum. So particular host only caused disease by the virus, means virus causes disease on the particular host. That is why called obligate parasite. Virus, as the scientist W.M. Stanley in 1935, W.M. Stanley in 1935 obtained crystal of virus. It means virus can store in the form of crystal in the sealed bottle. Important another character is virus. As in case of plant virus, generally nucleic acid is either single-stranded RNA, as in case of TMV, means tobacco mosaic virus. This TMV as tobacco mosaic virus structure of TMV has explained here. TMV is rod-shaped virus. In the TMV, RNA is found in the form of nucleic acid. RNA means ribose nucleic acid. In the virus, both DNA and RNA are not present. Only RNA or DNA present. And in case of bacteriophage, here T2 phage, T2 means tadpole shaped virus. Bacteriophage means which kills bacteria, which destroy bacterial cell. That virus called as bacteriophage. Bacteriophage first of all discovered by the D. Harrelly in the tadpole form. That is why name has given T2 phage, T4 phage, T6 phage. Here structure of T2 phage has two important parts. One is called as head, another is called as tail. First part is head and second part is tail. In the head part of T2 phage, outer coat is present. This outer coat is called protein coat, or this protein coat also called as capsid. And this capsid surround the nucleic acid DNA, and that is double-stranded DNA. Double-stranded DNA means DS DNA, which is present inside the protein coat, and protein coat has many small units. This small unit is called as capsomer. Here capsomer are shown. So capsomer is the unit of capsid in the bacteriophage. The shape of head is hexagonal shape. Below this a collar is present. Here this is the neck or collar, and from the collar there is a core part present in the tail, which attached with the basal plates. Basal plates has special arrangement as 6 tail fibrils attached with the basal plate. Here these are the tail fibrils which attach with the bacterium cell during the infection, and DNA nucleic acid enters in the bacterium cell through the core part of the tail. few more virus also have noticed. One virus, you know, generally causes flu, influenza disease. Sometimes in flu, red coloration, red color eyes appearance, and smallpox, chickenpox, mumps, polio, AIDS, several types of diseases caused by the viruses in human, in which AIDS full name is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is the full name of AIDS, and AIDS disease causal organism is HIV. HIV is causal organism or causal virus. Here virus singular. Full name of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. Human deficiency virus, which generally found in spherical form, contain DNA. If the attached with the T cell or T lymphocyte cell, when enters only the genetic part, as DNA enters here, this DNA, I mean to say, this is the, not DNA, this is the RNA present as genetic material, like RNA in the TMP, and this is the protein code. So RNA when entered, it changes in the form of DNA. It means RNA changes in the form of DNA due to reverse transcription. After this, it enters in the nucleus of the host cell and attached with the DNA of the host cell, multiply in the cell, and then RNA produces, which covered again by the protein code. This RNA covered by the protein code and again comes out here, the RNA present and protein code outside. This is the RNA surrounded by the protein code in the case of HIV virus, and this HIV again infect the cell. In this way, virus when enters in the host body, it multiplies many times and causes diseases. Different types of plant viruses also causes diseases in the plant, like potato virus 10, which causes potato leaf curl, and TMP virus, which causes mosaic disease on tobacco plant. So these are the brief discussion about the types of viruses, as plant viruses generally contain RNA as genetic material, animal virus mostly contain RNA, sometimes single RNA, sometimes double RNA, but bacteriophage which contain DNA as genetic material. But virus outside the cell is found in the form of crystal. First of all, such crystal of TMV obtained by the W.M. Stanley 1935. So, you like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes.